Don't talk to him back.
Carly, come push on my vagina.
Wait,
Here,
I
take a video.
hear it, though.
Take a video. You have to be close enough so you can hear my stomach make these. Well, I'm
Wait,
not really
it's not.
sure what it is.
Oh, you're recording.
Your ovaries.
Okay, one.
You're too close.
Shh.
Abby, it's your ovaries.
Every time you take it off. Get it closer so you can hear it. Oh, it's gotta go.
It was so good before. Okay.
Keep trying. We got this. I'm like in this position too. You're too far up. Get closer in the middle.
You.
Okay, I gotta be relaxed.
My camera's broken.
Stop making me laugh. Okay.
Really?
Closer. Okay.
Yeah.
Go.
Why isn't it working?
It only works
Wait
when
a
you
little.
lift up and then push back down quick.
Gross me out.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going.
Oh, I heard
Oh, gross. That one hurt.
Just saying this is mad.
Okay. Oh, your stomach just made a noise. What the heck?
Yeah, okay.
Shut up. Keep going. She's like texting.
Just friends. Always.
You're not doing it right.
Just like.
Keep going.
Just take your pants off.
No, it needs to be lower so you can push like right here.
Riley.
And then like go
Nice.
lift up real quick and then push back down. Okay. I told you that's right where you gotta push. No, this needs to come closer so you can actually hear it. Okay. One more time.
Does it hurt?
No.
You're so cool.
Come on, man.
Do that thing with your thumbs again.
Carly, brush my
Oh
teeth.
my god.
Go.
Yes, she did it.
Her stomach over here is making more noise than mine is. Oh, like a good one.
Why does it smell weird right here?
Not me, I swear.
Carly, like your update.
What is it?
Oh, you just popped
Sleep over
something.
pretty as dummies.
I read it.
It's not. You gotta be right here.
Just saying, Carson got new pictures.
Yes.
Only two.
Oh, there we go. Did you
Oh,
see that?
yeah, I
This
felt
one,
that.
no hats in
So
here.
we're done.
There's that one. She got